Hey everyone, my name is Katie T. and I will be reviewing the online grammar tool called NoRedInk. Just a little note, my computer is a little loud when it comes to the books, so watch your ears. So when we look at NoRedInk, there's a lot of cool aspects of the tool that make it appealing to teachers and students. The students are given a survey when they first make an account about their likes and dislikes. This goes from the shows they watch to the sports that interest them. And NoRedInk actually uses this information to incorporate the students' interests on the site. Right there is an actual example. For example, if a student wants to see stuff about Harry Potter, they can put that and they can get questions like this, which is really cool. NoRedInk is also easy to use for teachers and students. I'll show you more about that in the next few slides. It's free. It gives goals and tracks their improvement for teachers, which also can be really easy and cool for the teachers. And it can be used as an incentive of computer time, which is really important in classrooms that really work on positive reinforcement, like younger and special education classrooms. Now I'm going to go over the tool itself. There's a lot about this tool, and I cannot cover all of it in under 5 minutes because I've tried and it just doesn't work. So I'm just going to go over it real fast, show you how easy it is to use as a teacher, and then just kind of explain the student part. So here's what a classroom kind of looks like on the teacher's end of things for NoRedInk. I already have 2 classrooms set up. One was from last week's assignment, and this one is the one I made for this week's. Just to show you how easy it is to create a class, you literally just go to Manage Classes and press Add Class. Put the class name, period 1, period 2, whatever you want, what grade it should be in, and then you press Create Class. Really cool. Also, it's really cool that it just gives you the class code real fast, and students can use that class code to sign up in a jiffy. For the student side of things. So, to assign work or create a diagnostic, you literally just go to the classroom that you want to do that for, you click Assign Work, and then it goes and gives you the step-by-step instruction on how you do it. Say I want to give a diagnostic test about research papers. I can search that stuff, I can say writing, and then I can just look down here and just see like, oh, I think embedding evidence would be really good for a research paper unit. The locks show what you have to pay for the lock stuff. So I'm just using the free version, which still has a lot of cool stuff to be used. Down here, you can actually show how many topics you've picked, questions that you want to come out of them, minutes estimated, which is really cool when it comes to assigning this as like a sub-plan, because you can see how long it should have taken the kids, and then you can actually see like how long they spent. And then you can just press Done Selecting which classes you want to assign it to, your start date, your due date, the due time. You see what's in it, and then you can give it a name, and then you just press Assign. This is actually a real quick way of showing you guys how they show you the data. I don't have any grades or anything stuck into it, but if you see, it just shows you all the assessment types. You can click which ones you want, you can click what dates, and it'll just give you a little graph and the class average, and it also shows you who mastered the skills, which is really important. And I'm going to go back to the PowerPoint now and explain more about how to use this in specific classrooms. So this site actually does recommend that it's used for grades 5th through 12th, but it can still be used in all of these different types of classrooms. For the special education classroom, it's really cool because it can let the student work on it on their their speed. There are due dates, but you can make the due dates at the end of the year. The kids can just work on it at their pace. For elementary ed, it's never too early to start the students on their grammar, and it does take into consideration what the grade of the student is. For middle school, I think it's a great idea for sub-plans. Students often are rambunctious and crazy when a sub's there, but by putting them on a computer, they're able to do individual work on, and that you're able to monitor from your home gives them a really structured class. For high school, I think it's a great thing to have in all classes. All classes should be pushing grammar, and this is a great thing to do. If you have an extra 5 minutes, put students on this, have them work on their grammar. It would just be awesome to see all classes supporting grammar in their classes. So like I said before, this is a big tool. It has a lot of stuff. I did not cover it all. I implore you guys to go use it and try it out. I'm the narrator, Katie T. and I use screencasting for my recording.